Now, and the growing friction between the BJP and the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, fueled by the Sena's growing proximity to the NCP, has surfaced once again, this time in an editorial by Bal Thackeray in Samna, that's his party's mouthpiece. In the article, Thackeray taunts the BJP and its leader Gopinath Munde about Sena's equations with Sharad Pawar. He says Gopinath Munde need not give advice to the Shiv Sena, that I, Bal Thackeray, that is, know Sharad Pawar better than Gopinath Munde does. Right, there's that quote from the Samna. Well, this comes a day after reports that Bal Thackeray refused to meet L.K. Advani. Advani was in Mumbai for a BJP function, and the party had apparently sought an appointment with the Sena chief, which was then refused. However, BJP sources deny this, saying that no meeting was ever requested.
माननीय अडवाणी जी का आज का मुंबई का कार्यक्रम पूर्व नियोजित था और वो अत्यंत व्यस्त था। इस कार्यक्रम में माननीय बाला साहब ठाकरे जी की भेंट करने का मुद्दा कहीं पर नहीं था।
Right, so growing friction between the Sena and BJP. Well, Prachi joins us for more from Mumbai. Prachi, what are we to make of this? Elections just around the corner, and this sort of news coming out. What are you hearing from your sources?
Well, certainly this particular editorial today about Munde speaks a lot about the growing tension between the two parties. Now, Munde for a long time has been a close associate of the Thackerays, of the Sena, as a regular visitor at Matoshri, the Thackere residence, and especially has played the role of a catalyst between the two parties, the Sena and the BJP, after the death of Pramod Mahajan. But it seems anybody who chooses to talk about Sharad Pawar and the growing proximity between the Sena and the NCP becomes a target of Bal Thackeray, and subsequent editorials have shown this time targeting even Munde. Now, this is surprising because Munde had spoken at a function where he said that one must stay away from Sharad Pawar and proximity to him can be dangerous. And the editorial today actually goes on, takes a dig at him and goes on to say they don't need excessive advice from Munde, and that real danger is usually posed by close associates and those whom you trust. So Thackeray certainly not choosing to spare anybody who raises doubts about Sharad Pawar and talks about the proximity between the Sena and the NCP. And of course, L.K. Advani was here in Mumbai today, and despite the alliance being questioned continuously for a long time now, the two leaders did not meet. So that too another indication.